Welcome back to Sam. I have my dog, Rosie, here if nobody has met her yet. See? She is... Sorry, I have to hold on to her by her collar because she likes to run and I really want her in this video. Or I could just hold her butt. See? Dog Rosie, she's a Pomeranian Chihuahua. She's a puppy. She is 14 months old. Her birthday, I don't know. Rosie. Rosie, look. Rosie, come here. Come here, Rosie.
14 months.
See, there's my dog, Rosie. I love her so much. Ooh.
So, I'm on the
Catch. And that's her kennel. That's where she takes it. What is it? Abel! Sorry about this. My brother's playing Call of Duty. He's right here. And Rosie, get out of your kennel. No, she's still in there. There's a little kennel. That's where I live. Now I'm going to do a tour of my house.
Don't show in my room.
These rooms are big inside. Everybody okay? And that's my dog, Abel. But home. This is my room. I know it's kind of messy. This is my brother's. Alright. My picture. I don't know why he has it in here. But that's my sister's.
Did you really just... Go, Abel! Then you're sitting on the floor and you're not moving. Now you got Rosie.
That's my dog.
Sit. 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 Don't move.
See? Look at her pretty little face. What can you see in the sun? Sorry. I wish I had a camera holder. Tablet. Or something like that. See, look at this. Look at this. Look at your cute little face. Are you okay, Rosie? Sorry, just hit her nose. That's the outside. We got 5 windows. Yeah, 5 windows. And my sister's room, she got 1. And then, yeah, my mom's room. Wait, you just saw Rosie. When she plays, she always growls. So you might be hearing me scream a little bit. Because we're grilling. And anybody that plays Roblox, can you please play with me on Roblox? Well, I don't have a computer. I play on my tablet. And I'm a guest 611. Okay, maybe play after this. Play this Superhero Tycoon. Yeah, that's all I play almost every single day. See ya, bye. Please put down in the comments if you know Jacksepticeye, because I know almost everybody likes him. He's awesome. And put down in the comments to see. I want to know if you know my brother's channel, David Moore. He says that everybody knows it. So see ya, bye.